Hello everyone, this is Brandon Jones, one of the game developers of The Breach, and I'd like to walk you through some of the iterations and updates our artists and team on campus have worked on together for this week. We'll begin at the main menu. We've received an updated UI that follows the design language of the assets within our levels. The best part about it was how easily and how quickly we were able to bring the art into the engine and add the logic that we were using for our original setup. The buttons on screen react to the player's input, which makes it easier for them to know which options they are selecting. The only other change we may need to make is fading out to black when starting a new game and then fading back into when we start level 1. Now within level 1, we have made improvements upon the original Stasis Chamber art asset with this text box on the monitor that adds some background storytelling to the first level. We've also redesigned the platform for where the pickups spawn, adding a particle system that shows that the machine draws from an unseen energy source to recreate the pickup should it be destroyed from any reason. You'll also notice that when we exit the room, the size of the drone has been scaled down. This was done to better fit the later levels, as well as to not have one object occupy so much overall space. In addition, we have completely redesigned the introduction to the level to allow the player to understand more quickly how the most common mechanics of the game work, with the original puzzle set at the end. There's also empty space on the right hand side of the dorm halls, as we call it, with broken doors furthering the emergent gameplay. Now level 2, we shortened the overall length of the geometry while retaining the concept of the puzzle. We also filled in some of the empty space to help with some navigational issues. While the player possesses the drone, a minicam will appear upon the left side of the screen to help communicate the cause and effect of placing the drone upon the pressure plates. Next, we move to level 3. The most recurring criticism we received and noticed in playtesting is that due to the confined space of the level geometry and how it's not perfectly clear each time where the player needs to aim before being able to possess the drone, we've added a particle system that shows the wave in an energy form, as well as the bullet itself now also homing in to its potential targets. We've also updated the look of the launch pad to be more streamlined, taking up less overall space in levels 4 and 5. Now, unfortunately for this week, we had to revert to the original character model due to some scripting problems on the game designer side. We hope to have these issues fixed as soon as possible. From this point forward, we mainly need minor improvements to our existing models and finalizing our design choices for things like the splash screen and the cursor icon within the main menu. A little more elbow grease here and there, and we will be more than ready for our final submission and the final project showcase coming soon. On behalf of the team, I would like to extend a huge thanks to the art team for stepping up to the challenge, and we can't wait to show you all the finished product. Thank you for watching.